Welcome back, guys. This is Crypto Bills. On this channel, we discuss and educate you on matters arising in crypto space. If you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button down below and smash on the dumbbell for quick notification of a new video once it is released. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to trade in P2P. In our previous edition of Binance series, I've shown you how to deposit using crypto from another wallet and also how to buy crypto using your credit card. But on today's edition, I am going to be showing you how you can also credit your Binance account with P2P trading. So without further ado, let's dive into what we have for today. Okay guys, here is the meaning of P2P according to Investopedia. A peer-to-peer service is a decentralized platform whereby two individuals transact directly with each other without intermediation by a third party. Instead, the buyer and the seller transact directly with each other via the P2P service. The P2P platform may provide services such as screening, rating, payment processing, or escrow. Now that we understood what P2P service means, now let's go into Binance and see how you can trade on P2P. So if you go back to your Binance page and on your home page, if you have not registered, please, there's a link down below. Click on it, get registered, switch your app. If you're using a mobile version of Binance, switch it to Binance Pro, then your page will look like this. So on this page, you will notice there is something like P2P trading at this corner of the Binance. So once you click on the P2P trading, you will be directed to the main P2P page where you can either buy or you can sell. If you are buying, that means you are buying a particular crypto or fiat currency into your Binance account. If you are selling, you will notice beside this buy order here, there's a link sell. If you click on the sell, you will see the page will be reloaded and you'll be redirected to seller on peer-to-peer. So either of the two, if you are buying or you are selling, you can do that on the P2P platform. So to buy, if you are crediting your wallet, your Binance account with either fiat currency or crypto, you can see on this top corner the list of coin or fiat currency supported. So if you are buying in USD, you can see the link for USD. You can as well buy with BTC, buy BSUD, BNB, which is Binance token, Ethereum, and because this recording is done in Nigeria, I have my fiat currency, which is Nigerian currency, NGN here. If you are buying in another location, your currency will also be indicated if it is supported on Binance. So if you are crediting your account with Naira, then you click on Naira on this page, and these are the list of people that wants to sell Naira to you on Binance. All this buy order you are seeing here are different adverts from different individuals with different price rates. So if I'm using this very first pair, which is Alaji FX, that is the seller, then his limit is 10,000, within 10,000 and 20,160. So if I am buying within 10,000 Naira and 20,000, I can buy from this individual. So If I have seen locate this person and I am convinced that the limit is within my range, then I can click on buy. So once you click on the buy, the system will load this page for you. You indicate the amount you are buying. If you notice, immediately I typed in 1,000, the system indicates the minimum is 10,000. That means I cannot buy below the limit amount the seller is selling. So if I indicate 10,000, you can see that the buy button is already signal for me that the transaction can proceed. If I click on buy, now this page will be loaded. The next step is to locate the payment method, which is by transfer, because I am buying a fiat currency, which is our local currency. So if I click on the payment method here, then I will also see the instruction on the payment, which is the account details of the person that is selling to, that I am selling to. If you notice here, I have the name of the seller and I have the account number, then I have the bank account detail, which is Kuda Microfinance Bank. So what I need to do next is to transfer the 10,000 I am buying to this account. Once I have transferred the amount to the person, I click on transfer. Then the system will be waiting for the seller to confirm the money. Then the transaction will be authorized. Immediately the seller confirm the payment, then the transaction will be confirmed. On this corner, you will also see a chat button. If you click on the chat button, you can chat with the person, and if there are any instruction regarding the trading, you also see on this particular chat, the person has already sent his mobile number in case you need to call directly for verification and confirmation. This is how the transaction is done if you are buying from an individual. So these are basic way in which you can trade on P2P, which is peer-to-peer platform on Binance. I believe this video has really been of help to you, and if you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button down below and remember to smash the bell for quick notification of a new video once it is released. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.